is Pandi from Tenet Technetronics. Here I am going to show a demo how we can use this AM and FM shield with Arduino, and I am going to show a simple demo with the shield. This shield consists of an AM FM receiver IC SI4735. This is only a receiver IC, and this is the hex converter, and this is the toggle switch for switching between AM to FM and FM to AM, and this is the audio jack, and the received signal is sent to the controller through this hex converter. This hex converter will convert the logic that a controller can understand. And this audio jack is not having any pre-amplifier circuit, so this will not work with a headset. So we need to connect this thing with a pre-amplifier circuit. Here I am going to interface this AM FM receiver shield with common cloned version of Arduino Uno. And in this demo, what I am going to do is I am just going to control this AM FM receiver shield by processing through Arduino. For controlling this AM FM receiver, I have created few buttons to change the channels and increase and decrease the volume. I am going to compile the code, and this is the code for processing. So these are the few buttons. This is meant for increasing the channel, and this is meant for decreasing the channel, and this is meant for increasing the volume, decreasing the volume. If you want to mute, we can press this button. If you want to unmute, we can press this button. Now I am going to change the channel.
Smart Mechanical message currency at call Mari. This is going out to Apurva, to Meena, to Sanjeev, from Shilpa to
Now I am going to reduce the volume.
I love you, Sunita. Thank you, Shilpa. Yes, keep it up to 90.0 radio. Maximum music, maximum choice.
Now I am going to increase the volume. If you want to mute, then you can press this button. If you want to unmute, you can. For decrement, using this AM FM receiver shield, what are the applications we can generate? We can make a handheld radio or wireless radio through some wireless protocol like RF or Zigbee. Thank you for watching this video, and if you need any queries or if you need this product, we can log on to www.tenet.com.